Hi, I'm Sarah. I started learning ASL about a year ago using TakeLessons Live, and I absolutely love it. I am looking for a class to add to my schedule for next week. I started taking ASL classes because I felt really inspired by someone that I met a few years ago. I was a receptionist and one of our clients was deaf, so every time he would come in the office, he would teach me like a word or two, and he just really motivated me and inspired me to learn their language and also just be a voice for the deaf community. What I really like about TakeLessons Live is that they have a variety of instructors. So there are deaf instructors, there are hard of hearing, and also speaking instructors. It's been a joy learning ASL with TakeLessons Live. I could not recommend it enough.